Hello and welcome to a Victoria 3 series where I'm going to play as America and I'm going to record myself turning my state into an oligarchy. So the goal is turn America into the most oligarchic republic in existence. Simple as that. There will be many challenges to this, of course, but the main goal is turn America into an oligarchy as soon as possible. Like, just turn it into an oligarchy completely. Now, what shall we do first? Well, there we go. Now, society research. Hmm. Now, I know exactly, I've kind of mastered this. Done it a couple times. So, this should be pretty quick. Now, the first step is essentially get over here. We will get to political agitation. Now, next step. You see this? This we do not want. Now, we do it. And we do it quickly. Oh! Well, ain't that a shame? I feel totally sad. I am, of course, being sarcastic. I don't actually care. Oh, and just as I expected... Don't worry, there is a plan for this. And it is this button right here. There we go. Goodbye. Now, what is my plan, one might ask? Well, it simply is how long... Actually, I just realized there is something I have to automate, though. This. Wow, I'm looking at all of these and it's like pretty disappointing. Well, I am just going to do this. And one might ask, exactly how does one influence the power of a country? By well, essentially raising a new army, which is the goal of this thing. Okay, here we go. Now, goal 1, which is not that complicated. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's see. Which states are in rebellion? Okay, good. So I can't... all of these... well, they can disappear. Thank you. Thank you. Their opinions are null and void. Officially. There we go. So, this, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. I see that wasn't enough. There we go. That's right. Come on, 3 weeks. What are you doing? 3 weeks. You literally... come on, you private construction people. Stop being annoying. As you can see, it takes a lot of money to raise an army. So, you know. Land-based taxation. Well, let's see. Come on. Come on. Now, these militias will remain loyal to me. And only to me. What? No. Okay, here. Come on. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna take the setback hit. Really? Come on. You can do it. So, what to do? Now I have it. Oh, I see. Well, none of the rest have anything going for them. Yes! Okay, it progressed to study. Perfect. I will get this passed. One way or another, we will be switching to oligarchy immediately. Now, we're keeping total separation. We might not be keeping this, though. I might just give the planters their request. Also, we're definitely moving to this. That one I'm just gonna take just for the sake of it. Come on then. Okay. We're speeding this up. Screw it. 50%. Yes! The Democrats are the ones that God intends to win. Buried in red tape. Now you're seeing why I have got all these lot. Yep, they're now armed and ready for battle. So, if a rebellion breaks out, we will not have any problems. At least we shouldn't. You see this? We are going to do this. In the short term, that is what it is worth. I'm fine with the intelligentsia getting a short burst of popularity. And here we are, the champions of change. Totally legitimate change. Totally not scumbags whatsoever. I'm of course being sarcastic, because, well, that's exactly what I am. And here we go. Now, one might ask, what is my goal? My goal is quite simple. Oh, look at that. No longer powerful, you say. Real shame, isn't it? What a great thing that they revolted. It's a pity that these lot also revolted. Advancement, yeah, well, we're gonna be getting oligarchy with that, you lot. I love my one favorite mod. And John Calhoun has been elected President of the United States of America. 81.3 to 16.1. Don't worry, if you're waiting to see some fraudulent elections, I assure you you will love the late game. Now they can stay out at sea for all I care. I don't really care too much. They can blockade all they want. We now have oligarchy. And I just gave hereditary bureaucrats power. Now, let's see, what do we have here? Ah, this. Yeah, they're gonna lose a lot of power. I'm afraid that very soon everything will change in America. I mean, not really. This is exactly the entire point. One doesn't fight a civil war and then just not try and win. That defeats the purpose of fighting a civil war. How are they still allowed to even... What? You're already in revolt and you're revolting against me now? Well, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to disappoint these lot, because they're gonna be real sad when they discover what happens next. Yeah, this, civil war... Could you maybe not? Yeah, no, this ain't how that's gonna work, buddy. I can just take New York off you. You don't have an army. But thanks for trying, honestly. It is rather admirable. I need to just get New York. I don't need the rest of the states, I need New York. And in the case of this, I also need... Ah, yes, good. Now, keep advancing. Keep advancing. By the end of this war, we would have passed a law that basically bans anybody's ability to complain about the government. Great question. How do they concern us? Perfect. I got Massachusetts. Massachusetts is mine. Next, New York, then hopefully Pennsylvania. Maybe New Jersey next, I suppose, but Pennsylvania definitely. Ah, look at that. New York is being seized. I couldn't be more happy. Well, this is how you play America and go oligarchic, essentially. You first have to basically fight a civil war. Oh! Wow. They're finally deploying their military. Yeah, I'm afraid that oh, wow. I occupy one of the most important states. Yes. Book burnings. We need them. More popularity for this law. Now. Oh, well, we are going for Pennsylvania. That's lovely. Mm-hmm. Okay, now. Yes, we'll also be doing this, I'm afraid. Because, screw it. Okay, Pennsylvania, good. I've got the industrial... Oh! That's where they're advancing? Wow. I mean, it's amazing that they have the manpower for it. I am about to seize, though, their most vital states. They can seize all this from me, but it doesn't matter if I seize the East Coast, where, like, 90% of their industry is. Oh, finally they put up a fight. Good, good. Bad time. And they didn't win, unfortunately. I'm impressed that they haven't fully concentrated on me. It's rather amazing, that. Well, let's see. What are they going to do? Oh, they're going to secure the District of Columbia. That is rather smart. Yet at the same time, how futile. Mm-hmm. This will be interesting. You'll notice that I have civil wars a lot more often. It's kind of how I play the game. There is no such thing as what would be best described as a peaceful time in the game, at least by my standards. Wait, are you even advancing? Advance! Question mark, question mark, question mark. I have very many questions, like, are you even making a push? Oh, good, good. Interesting. Hmm. You know what? We're gonna use this common ground to calm the masses. Because I do happen to have a lot of pissed off people. Which makes sense, to be fair. What? Wait. Ohio? Really? Really? Ohio? You went for Ohio. You couldn't go... Okay. I am gonna do this. Head for Virginia. Please head for Virginia. Hmm. Well, this is certainly interesting, but, alas, it's also rather disappointing. Come on. Push. Push. Oh, they aren't even advancing. They're not taking initiative. That's nice. Good to see that I still hold initiative-taking power. Yes, West Virginia. Good. Head for Virginia. Hmm. Okay. Good, good. Ooh. Yes, rousing speech captivates the public. Ain't that just great? Good. That'll do it. Oh, look at that. They're heading... You know, I would have thought they would have woken up to the fact that I'm just advancing into their core important territories. Okay, good, good. Yes. It's really such a shame that they forgot that I can do this. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Well, I suppose they're gonna learn the hard way. One way or another they'll learn. I have won the Civil War. Yeah, well, do whatever's required. Oh wow, that's totally sad. I totally feel so much pity right now. Eh. Uh, oh, that's a shame, ain't it? Well, you guys want to give up because I'm willing to continue this war if it means victory. Okay, yep. Now, let's just, while we're at war, peasant levy, no. let's do this. Debt. Well, I said I would give them what they want, and I am about to give them the thing they all desire. Once I'm done, we will not be enacting this. I did not say I was a democratic society. What? Why is it leaving the front line? Come on, you lot. I didn't say... you idiots. You fools. Ah. I did not say to retreat. God darn it. The words retreat were not meant to be there. I'm much more disappointed by the fact that, you know, this guy just ran off from the front line. Like an absolute muppet. Like, you'd think that, you know, when you hire an officer, you teach them the rules of don't just run off and gallivant. Well, at least I'm connecting my fronts. Now you, do your job. Okay, well. I'm occupying far more. Yep, there we go. Done. 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 That should teach him a lot. Hopefully. Hopefully it'll teach them a very valuable lesson about trying to goddamn start doing conquest. Now, does anyone else have any complaints? I will gladly address your concerns once we have repaired the entire country from being incinerated. What in the world? Okay, let's try... No, we are doing this. Now. Okay, wait, so... I just realized... Yes. Now, where is... Come on. Good. It would appear that yes, I am making a profit. Now, we will, of course, be doing a public healthcare system, though. Wait, or private healthcare. Or should I do that? I think I'm gonna go try and... Okay, what have we got here? There. Now, the reason this will be important is because I need to find ways that don't change anything to, well, please everyone, essentially. So, look at that. You see that? That's what you get when you finish off a rebellion. Oh, wow, look at that. Devastation's high. Well, it's a pity that you decided to fight then, ain't it?